Imagine unlocking the molecular secrets of life with just a tiny beam of light. What if you could analyze DNA, proteins and cells within just seconds? That's the power of Raman Spectroscopy. And with IndiRAM Edu Course, you can bring this technology into your research and empower your studies. The world of life sciences is evolving rapidly and precision is the key. Whether you are studying cancer biomarkers, protein structures, bacterial infections or even drug interactions, IndiRAM Raman Spectrometer can empower you with real-time, accurate and reliable molecular analysis. And the best part, this isn't just theory. With a specialized IndiRAM Edu course, you will get hands-on training in Raman Spectroscopy. You will learn how to apply Raman spectroscopy in life sciences, how to interpret spectral data for medicine and biotechnology, how to understand the molecular structure of living cells of complex biomolecules. With IndiRAM Edu, you are not just learning, you are experiencing, experimenting and staying ahead in your field. Ready to take your research to the next level? Join the IndiRAM course today and become an expert in Raman applications for life sciences. Click the link below to enroll. Thank you.